here, I want to share with you something that can actually put a wrench in the logistics of getting a construction project done if you don't account for it ahead of time. Let's take a look at this driveway. So when supply trucks actually come into this area to deliver, number one, they have to account for power lines. So these power lines are tall enough, easy access for the truck. However, look at this driveway. Look at the slope of this driveway. So you can't get a truck that carries tons and tons and tons of material on it down a driveway like this, especially down at the bottom. You know, it's a big, long truck. The other thing you have to account for is all the cracks in the driveway. So if you have a truck that's gonna drive on a driveway to deliver material that weighs multiple thousands of pounds, it could potentially do more damage to the driveway. So that's an issue. So my recommendation with a driveway like this when you're doing a construction project is actually, instead of having the supplier put the material on the roof, which they're not going to be able to, they would actually put it on a donkey or a tractor, bring it down, set it down here on the ground, and it would be what we call a ground drop. Now that requires extra labor for our roofers or the laborers to actually put the material on the roof. So that would be an additional charge. So roofers, you have to account for that, and homeowners, you guys need to account for that, or just have that expectation that it's going to be a more expensive project just because of the access. Let's do some calculations here. I want you homeowners to understand why contractors are going to charge more money to take material that's on the driveway to put it up on the roof. Now, if you have a driveway that isn't accessible for a delivery truck, you have to think about that. That is thousands upon thousands upon thousands of pounds of material. So that material has to get up on the roof somehow. The old-fashioned way, the way that we do it, man, we just put it on our backs and we take it up. So let's do a calculation on this. That roof itself is just over 2,500 square feet. We're gonna order roughly 2,800 square feet worth of material. We always order more because there's waste factors, so on and so forth involved. So we're gonna use about 2,800 square feet worth of material, which calculates to roughly 84 packages. Now, each package weighs 80 pounds. So if you can imagine taking 80 pounds, putting it on your back and walking it up on a ladder and walking on the roof, right? Walking over to the ridge and laying the material down onto the ridge. Doing that by hand, 84 times. That's essentially what we're doing. So it's very labor intensive, takes a lot of time and energy. So we actually charge accordingly. You do the math on that, 84 bundles times 80 pounds equals well over 6,700 pounds. So that's a lot of weight to be moved in a short period of time. Just a heads up, that is why you will see a charge or an additional charges to move material from the ground to the roof. Thanks a lot.
Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Ready to book your free inspection? Check the link in the description box for more information.